If I were selling my home in 2026, here's exactly what I would do to get the most money. First, I would know my numbers. I would understand my estimated net proceeds, potential tax implications, and how the sale affects my buying power for the next move. Knowing this upfront removes guesswork and helps you make confident decisions. Second, I would spend real time prepping my home. Declutter, paint, and stage it properly. If there is anything a buyer might point out as a negative, I would fix it before we ever hit the market. Third, I would not price based only on closed sales. I would price within my active competition. What other homes are buyers looking at right now? Would my home help sell theirs, or would they help sell mine? Fourth, I would make the first impression count right away. The first 2 weeks matter most, so I would make sure the photos, video, copy, and marketing are strong from day one, not added later. Fifth, I would build a marketing plan based on where today's buyers are actually looking. That means strong digital exposure, video, social media, Zillow, and in-person open houses. I would also market to feeder cities where buyers are relocating from into San Diego, not just buyers already here. And finally, I would hire an agent that knows and understands how to market strategically to reach the most qualified buyers possible. If you have considered selling in San Diego, let's chat.